Welcome to How to Write an Equation from a Given Table of Values. Example 1. Pick 2 points from a given table of values and follow the steps for writing the equation of a line from 2 points. In our given table of values, our points are 0, 3, 1, 7, 2, 11, and 3, 15. First, pick 2 xy pair coordinates and then calculate the slope using the slope formula. X sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. We plug those in correctly and we get 7 minus 3 divided by 1 minus 0. 7 minus 3 is 4, 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 over 1 gives us a slope of 4. We then use our slope-intercept formula, y equals mx plus b. So therefore we have a slope of m which plugs into y equals 4x plus b. We need to find b now. B is the y-intercept value. When x equals 0, we will have b. We were given 0, 3, so therefore our intercept is b. b equals 3. We will take b equals 3 and then plug that back into our formula. We had y equals 4x plus b, so now y will equal 4x plus 3. Now that y equals 4x plus 3, we need to finish our problem. We're not done. We need to check our answer. Substitute the values from the table into the equation. All of the xy pairs should be true. Our first x value was 0. 4x plus 3 gives us 4 times 0 plus 3. Simplify 0 plus 3, y equals 3. So the point 0, 3 was true. In the second point, x value was 1. 4 times 1 plus 3 gives us 4 plus 3, which equals 7. Point 17 was also true. Y equals 4x plus 3. The other coordinate point was 4 times 3 plus 3 gives us 12 plus 3, which simplifies to y equals 15. Point 315 was also true. All of the answers make the equation true. Example number 2. Pick 2 points from the given table of values. Use the slope formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Our table of values consists of the points 2, negative 2, 4, negative 8, 6, negative 14, and 8, negative 20. Plug in. Slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So therefore we have negative 8 minus a negative 2 over 4 minus a negative 2, which gives us a negative 3. Plug back into the y-intercept formula. M equals a negative 3, so now we have y equals negative 3x plus b. Let's find b. B is the y-intercept in order to finish writing our equation. We will pick a point, 2 and negative 2. Y equals a negative 2, so we will have a negative 2 equals a negative 3 with the x-coordinate is 2 plus b. Then we will simplify. y equals a negative 3x plus b with the points 2 and negative 2. We're simplifying. A negative 2 equals a negative 3 times 2 plus b. We get a negative 2 equals a negative 6 plus b, and we simplify, giving us b equals 4. Our equation becomes y equals a negative 3x plus 4, and then we check the values. The first value gives us y equals negative 2. That point is true. Then we solve for the second point, y equals a negative 3x plus 4, and the coordinates were 4 and negative 8. Y equals a negative 3 times 4 plus 4 simplifies into negative 12 plus 4. Y equals a negative 8. That's also true. Y equals a negative 3x plus 4. We plug in y equals a negative 3 times 6 plus 4 gives us y equals a negative 18 plus 4. Negative 18 plus 4 equals a negative 14. That's also true. Y equals a negative 3x plus 4 with the coordinates 8 and negative 20. We then simplify to negative 3 times 8 plus 4 gives us a negative 24 plus 4, which gives us negative 20. That's also true. So our steps to writing an equation from a table of values gives us step 1. Pick two xy pairs from the table and calculate slope. Step 2. Subslope into the slope-intercept formula. Step 3. Find the value of b and plug in the values. Check your answers by subbing the values from the table into your equation. Your answer has to be true with all of the xy coordinates. Thank you for learning how to write an equation from a table of values.